Welcome to DRB Tunnel Solutions training. In this training, we're going to take a look at the new Patheon customer delete function. Let's get started. There's now an ability to delete customers in Patheon. You'll notice that if we go to a customer list and see a customer, for example, this plan customer, there's now a trash can associated with that customer. If I click that, however, the system will warn you that deleting a customer is a permanent action. However, there are some things that prevent the deletion of a customer. For example, this John plan customer is an active plan member. If I try to delete this customer, it'll tell me that I'm restricted. You cannot delete customers with active plans. Let's go ahead and reset my view and see if there are any other customers that are maybe non-members, such as maybe this was a test account that we didn't mean to create. We can go ahead and try to delete this record. And you'll notice that Vicky customer was removed. This allows you to clean up any training data that you may have added to your system or any customer records that you added in error. The customer delete function is also available in the Patheon portal. Here we're in the customer section, and you'll notice with our list of customers, we have trash cans next to each customer. You can click the trash can next to the customer to try to delete the customer. Remember, if they're a member and you try to delete, you'll be warned that your action is restricted. However, if you delete a customer that's not a member or doesn't have any records that are actively linking, you can press delete and you're able to delete that customer. Keep in mind that there are new locks and keys associated with the customer delete function. Under the roles and permissions section, I'm going to add a role, not to necessarily add a brand new security role, but to show you that there are new customer locks and keys. The customer delete on portal option is a new key that you would need edit functionality in order to be able to delete this customer on the portal. On the Patheon POS, when you expand the customer section, there's a customer delete on POS key that you would need the edit function in order to delete this. This will prevent lower level employees from deleting customers on their own without permissions. And that's the new customer delete feature of Patheon. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please send them to training@drb.com.